Every year, I give you great gift ideas for those special men in your life, and this year, I went a little bit luxury. First, for that writer who loves and misses the feel of a real typewriter, the keys to press, it connects by USB cable to your laptop, to your computer, to your iPad. So for that writer in your life, this is the best. A lovely small wallet from John Varvatos. Great to fit in anybody's pocket. Or if you just carry some cards and maybe a little bit of money, this is a great thing. This is a limited edition from Louis Vuitton. And I love it because normally this is black edge. This year on this collection, it's blue. I thought it was very cool. And if you're going to carry a money clip, why not one from Gucci? How pretty, sterling silver. For the person who loves to write by hand, and some of us still do, this pen from Mont Blanc is so beautiful. And again, normally this is black, but with this pen, it's blue, which is, I think, kind of cool. And for the man that loves to carry a bag, this is again another piece out of that limited edition from Louis Vuitton. It's so whimsical and great, will fit everything. Phone, no matter how big the phone. Wallet, all of it, a great bag. And for that guy who loves to have a briefcase, this beautiful leather piece from Shinola, I love the color of the chocolate brown. It's so beautiful and pretty and very luxurious, I think. Just some wonderful high-end gift ideas for that man in your life.